AntPrint DTF oven setting tutorial video. Step 1. Turn on the power switch. Step 2. Press set to enter the setting model. Press left arrow will help you change the number position. Press up and down arrow will help you increase, decrease numbers. Step 3. Set your countdown time, 1.5 minutes. Can remove the plastic cover firstly. H mean hour mean minutes others as seconds. Step 4. Turn on your countdown button after you put your DTF film in the oven. Step 5. Turn off your countdown button when you hear the alarm.